All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Amazon Pirate. My name is Chris. If you're new here, I make videos that are 5 minutes or less on products I find on Amazon that I think you guys will enjoy. Much like the one we're gonna do today, we're talking about the VEER Cruiser. I absolutely love this thing. My kids absolutely love this thing. And I have to admit, I was skeptical at first when my wife told me it is pretty pricey. We're up there at 600 plus. I was skeptical on it because I was thinking Red Wagon days. You know, those things are like 13 bucks at a Walmart now. But I gotta admit, I was wrong. So we're gonna take a look at this thing. I'll run you guys how it works, how it folds up. It is about 44 pounds. If you were to fold it up, put it in your car, about 37 inches long. I think it's 21 inches wide. So, but we're gonna go over everything on it. I hope you guys are excited. I know I am. Let's get into it. All right, so right away we start with the tires. They are rugged, very hard rubber. We take this thing over like basically all terrain right now. So in the grass, basically any stroller or wagon can go through the grass, but this thing can go over rocks, roots, all kinds of cool stuff. You have the mesh padding right here, not padding, but mesh little see-through thing where the kids put their feet, which keeps them nice and cool. Again, the oscillating wheels, look at this nasty. You have these oscillating wheels, 360 degrees in the front or the back, depending on which way you're rolling it. And then these are static, they don't move. Got a nice VEER logo. Very good material. Like I said, we've had this for years. We probably had it for about 6 years now, and there's no rips or tears in here. You can see it's a little bit weathered on some of the parts here, but not a big deal at all. All right, so let's talk about the handle. Obviously you can take this out, pull it out, it goes up and down, extends it a little bit. If you're short like me, you need it a little bit lower, okay? And then if you want, when you go to fold it up, or if you want to use it as a wagon and pull it, you simply just pull up on this, and then you just hold it and pull it, all right? And then if you want to push it like a wagon or a stroller, you simply just push it forward, it locks into place, and then you can just push it like a stroller. All right, so I don't know if you noticed that, but I kicked this right here, which is the brake. You simply just push down on it and it'll lock into place. That way, if you're on a hill or something like that, you kind of just push that down with your foot and your kid's not gonna be strolling down a hill. And to turn the brake off, just kick it and then you're ready to go. Like I said before, oscillating wheels, right? And this is in the grass. I'll do it in the on the asphalt here soon so you can see just how smooth it is. And like I said before, we've had this for years and it works just as if it did when we pulled it out of the box. The grip on the handle is very comfortable. It's another hard rubber and it has these little notches right here. So if it's a hot summer day and you're pushing around, you're not gonna slip off and that kid just goes cruising again down a hill or something like that. So very nice handle. Very quality build product. And then this is the other side. As you can see, we got some wear and tear. And then this is the inside. It does come with 5-point harnesses and a nice hard seat right here. I think it comes with cushions. And then you got little holders right here on either side for the kiddos to put, you know, whatever they need. And then it does come with some other accessories. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that. And then I'll show you guys how to collapse it and fold it down. All right, one of the accessories it does come with is this nice little cup holder thing right here. And you simply just put it on, pinch, and you're good to go. And then that way you can have a kiddo sitting here, eating lunch, whatever it may be, on a picnic, theme park, anything like that. We used to use this for the theme parks. All right, so this accessory is sold separately, but it is very much needed in my opinion, especially during the hot summer days. So you got 2 little loops right here on both sides, and then you just simply put these on the little notches right here, the loops, and I'll show you guys these in just a second. And everything is just so high quality built with this company. It is absolutely worth the price, and these just snap in just like the cup holder did, and then there you go. Now you got a nice little shade. There is vents on both sides, and if they want to put it down, just push it back and it goes down, folds down nice and neat, and they can bring it back up easily as well. All right, so everybody knows kids require a lot of gear. This is a nice little storage pouch. And this is the easiest one to use in my opinion. Bam, bam, done. That's it. And it does have a nice little mesh. It does lift up, so in case you need to put something in here and it's windy, you can put it all in here, and then it can go to about that height without being flying around or anything like that. So that's nice. Or you just put it right here on top. You can take all of these, all this material off and wash it if it starts to get dirty. And the actual VEER wagon itself is, you can wash it down with a hose. You just take everything out, spray it down, you're good to go. All right, so now let's go ahead and break it down. I'll show you guys how it folds up. Super simple. Right here, you just, right here on this handle, push up on it, push down, and that folds down like that. All right, same thing with the other side. It's hard to do this with one-handed. All right, and those two fold down just like that. The sides fold down. Other side folds down, and then with the handle, same thing. Pull up on it, and then it folds down. And there you go. That's basically it, guys. Super simple, great product. I highly recommend it. If you guys are gonna be at a theme park, doing picnics, just going for walks, the kids love it. You put some snacks in there, some drinks, whatever it may be, and you're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys thought. There will be a link in the description down below. Sorry for the sweat, it's blazing hot out here. But I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys next time.